So today we are here at the north side of Ukulhas, and look at this, guys. You will see lots of gym equipment, and this is for free. You can just drop by and use as much as you can, okay? And across is, I don't know, guys, if this is school.
Looks like
A school. And there are benches here. Maybe these are for people waiting for the kids. But you know what? There is no name, so we are not
but
sure.
it has the highest standards of academic scholarship.
Okay, so maybe this is school, but
So I
no
think
name
it's,
yet.
yeah, so I think it's cool.
Okay, and that end, guys, is so many buildings being built, like this one. Okay. If you can see the people there doing the construction. And we are going to the south of the island of Ukulhas, and this is the main street. And the reason why it is main street is because there is sidewalk, right?
And it runs north to south.
Pardon?
It runs north to south.
Yeah.
In the middle of the island.
Yes. So it is this sidewalk is from north to south and vice versa.
Here, this is the name of the school.
Where? Oh, now we find the name. AA Ukulhas School.
Yeah, that's the name.
But anyways, guys, we are heading south, but we will walk to this side, okay? Because we already walk on this
On the
main
street, yeah.
So we want to show you the
A different
other
street.
side.
Oh, I think this is dead end too.
Dead end too? I
Yeah.
think there is, you know?
There is? Okay, you wanna check?
Let's check. Yeah.
Okay.
I hope there is.
Whoa, I can feel the heat.
Yes, it's too hot. Right?
Really
what
hot.
time is it?
It's only 11.
11 in the morning, and
Yeah.
it's too hot.
Yeah.
Like really too hot. And before the walk, I applied sunscreen.
Yeah.
And this is their traditional chair. It has net, and
Yeah.
if you sit down there, it can keep you cool. I think that's the purpose of the net, right?
Yeah.
So the air flows.
Yeah.
And it is so quiet. When I talk, I feel like I'm the one who's talking here.
Yeah, it's not many people here.
Now many people
I don't.
outside.
Okay, hopefully this.
See, there is still way.
Oh, here?
No, I'm just showing.
Yeah, there's a way here,
Exactly.
so we may be able to cut through here. Let's see.
Yes. Yeah, there is. See here?
Whoa, someone's following us.
This one. Oh, the cat.
Oh, you don't have
You
food.
want
Sorry.
food? We don't have food here.
Yeah, we have no food.
We don't have food. No, no food.
Oh
Yeah.
man, this cat is
You
friendly.
come to us later. We will give you food about that.
Wow, he's really following us.
So this is the other side of the beach, guys. This is west side, and on the other side later we will show you. It's really small island, and I think you can explore the area, the whole area in one day,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
It's
that's true.
very compared to Digura, this is
Much smaller.
much smaller.
Yeah.
Digura is larger.
Yeah.
And the foods here are cheaper,
Foods here are much cheaper than Tigura.
much cheaper than Digura.
Yeah.
It's like 50% price cheaper, right? So if you are looking for island that you can visit, this is one
What?
that you have to visit.
Yeah.
When it comes to food prices, this is cheap here. It is
Oh.
cheap here.
I found a nice restaurant here. Looks like a very nice place to sit.
This one.
Yeah. Okay, so I think we have a way now. I think we
Yeah.
can cut
Do
through.
you want to just show this?
Yeah, show the beach a little bit. And the crystal clear turquoise Maldivian waters.
Very blue water.
Whoa, look at the water. That's beautiful. Look at the water.
Yeah.
Whoa, I cannot believe this.
Very nice, right? And there are swings.
I think this is like a restaurant or cafe.
Oh, it's like cafeteria.
Cafeteria. Yeah.
I can see the
But-
coffee.
But we can have coffee a little later. Hello.
Lots of sits here.
Life is a beach. Find your wave.
Yeah, like right now we are fine. Oh, I can see some people wearing bikini.
Okay, we found a swing here. It's beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
It's a beautiful swing. It's a very good for Instagram or TikTok.
So I think we're walking. We
Yeah.
want to go back to the street.
Let's go to the street because we have later on beach walk. Yeah.
So let's see.
Okay, could you hold on a second?
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a picture here. 1 sec. Okay, guys. So we are going back to the street because we have another video walking on the beach.
Okay, there's a big court here.
Oh, there's the, like, you know,
The one
playground.
I showed you that I saw that.
Yeah, we saw that before.
Yeah. I thought it's track and field, but it's not. It's a big court like soccer.
Mhm.
Soccer,
Looks like soccer. Yeah.
right? Very nice water.
Yeah. Look, what is this?
Look.
What is this thing?
Oh no.
Oh, that's a
What is
very. I think that's a fruit. You eat them, and the red one looks like ripe.
Yeah, and the green is not yet. But
Yeah.
I don't know what is the name of this one.
I wood something. I think I forgot the name, but I know this fruit. Very sweet.
Very
We
good.
we saw that in Malaysia. Remember they were saying that. I think this is that fruit, but I forgot the name.
Yeah. I'm not familiar also.
Mm-hmm. So this is the west part of the island, right?
West part of the island.
Okay, so we're heading towards south,
Yes.
but it's still we're just on the west side,
Yes.
not on the main side or center side.
This is the end of the beach.
On yeah,
I mean, this is the end of the side of the Ukulhas, west
Yep.
side. Yeah. See, it's water.
yeah.
Oh.
Oops. She scared me a little bit.
And later we will try to show you water from
Yeah.
west side and east side.
Yeah.
Because I saw earlier the one way straight is you can see the water from end to end.
Yeah. Hey, it looks like, oh man, what is this?
Oh,
They're drying fish here.
yes.
Oh
So
man.
this is how they dry fish. Look
This
at
is how
that.
they dry
I
fish.
think this is tuna.
This looks like tuna, but you can ask them. We can ask them, guys. So look at this. Whoa, look at the.
I mean,
There's so much fish. Okay, you can ask them. So many of this. And here, look. Actually, there's more here. So this is how they cut tuna.
Yeah.
Yeah,
We can ask if we can show.
that's a huge tuna.
Okay, hold
And
on.
and you can, yeah, you can show. You can show. This is tuna, right? Tuna?
No.
Oh, no tuna. What is it?
Sailfish.
Sorry?
Sailfish.
Sailfish.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is not tuna, but you know, still that's how you can cut them.
Oh, look at this. Do you
Yeah.
have idea what is the name of this fish? Look.
Yes, sailfish. He said,
I don't know.
but
And then they are drying it there.
they're drying it there. Yeah, and all this there too.
Oh, oh, I didn't notice this one.
Yeah, there are more there.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah.
Oh, I have this house.
Oh,
Okay.
and see, there's more guys here.
Yeah.
Hello. A tailfish, right? Sailfish.
Shellfish? Shellfish? I don't know the name of this fish.
Oh, marlin.
Marlin.
Marlin. Okay,
Marlin
got it.
fish.
Marlin fish.
Marlin.
Okay, got it.
Okay. And they are drying.
And there are more there. There are more there. All right. Huh? Okay, you can do it. So guys, we stopped at the fish plant to take some, like, you know, pictures and short videos.
so good.
And we feel lucky that we had an opportunity to see this, because most tourists are not like, you know, do not see this, and you can only see this type of things if you are on a local island. And also you have to be lucky, because we have been to Degura, but we never seen anything like this.
Yeah, this is really good to be seen.
Yeah.
How they clean and how they dry the fish. I'm just trying to see if we can show the west and east side of the beach.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's true. I think you can show that if you are on the main middle street. Maybe here it's blocked by stores.
Yeah, some houses.
Yeah, houses.
Okay, true.
Oh, this place is much cooler because of these trees. So look at these trees. And they have Magnum ice cream.
Everywhere is
Everywhere
Magnum
they have Magnum ice cream here.
Yeah.
This looks like another hotel, a small hotel.
Coral Queen Villa.
Coral Queen Villa.
And there's a store.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, they have coconut here.
What do you want?
They have coconut, but you know, maybe we'll get it later.
Okay.
Now just complete the video.
Oh, look at these decorations. Lots of decorations.
Oh yeah.
Another restaurant.
Okula Bar. Hello. And then they have, like, you know, I think this is for the
Part of the Okula Bar.
yeah,
Okula.
for the hotel people.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi. You're video open? Pardon?
Hello.
Video open?
Yeah.
Video opener. Yes, we are doing video of the Ukulhas Island.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Nice car.
Yes, thank you.
All right, thank you. So here's another
Coffee shop.
coffee shop, or a small, like, you know, snack shop. So the thing is, when we need one, we don't find one, and when we don't need, we find lots of these. A Beach Blend. This is a coffee shop.
Next to each other.
One next
after
to other.
another.
And Salty Shore, there's another one. And then for most of this store, if you buy, you can sit there and have, like, you know, your coffee and stuff,
And have a view of the beach.
view of the ocean. Yeah, so that's very nice. And this is another
Trip Villa.
trip villa. Yeah.
Yeah, Trip Villa. It's a good one. So many villas, so many inn, guest house here.
Yeah.
And this is a picture of the whale shark.
Oh yeah.
Oh, coconut.
Where? Oh no, but I don't think they're selling coconut.
Yeah, maybe they are taking it to
They're
the
just
store.
taking it to the store.
To the store, yeah.
Yeah.
That's the guy who had haircut with you.
Huh?
That's the guy who had haircut with you.
Oh really? Whoa,
Yes,
that's incredible.
yes, that's him.
That's incredible. We keep meeting some people again and again.
So
We-
anyway, guys, speaking of haircut, Amidon had haircut and colored the hair
And shaved.
and shaved, but he has to rinse his hair on his own,
Yeah.
because the guy said that the water is broken.
No, they don't have water there.
No, there is, but he said
Oh, okay.
it's broken. I think the pipe he said is broken.
Oh, okay.
That's why he cannot wash your hair, so you just wash it later
Yeah.
on your own. So this is
Another coffee shop.
restaurant.
And every coffee shop has its portion, like chairs and tables on the other side, facing the beach, where you can enjoy. So actually, I like this sidewalk. I think is more nature walk than the center main street.
Yes.
Main street, you just see, like, stores, houses, but this here you see lots of cafes and restaurants and beaches.
So the center street, the main street, is more on grocery stores, coffee shop, restaurant. Okay, but here is like combined. There is a coffee shop, restaurant, and the view.
Yeah. So if you wanted to know the dress code, this is right here. What you can and you cannot wear.
Oh yeah, you might not. This is the dress code for tourists, and if you are, oh, see,
So these you cannot
No.
wear.
yeah. But I think this part is a Bikini beach area.
Yeah, if you are on the designated Bikini beach, then you can wear, like, these. But other time you cannot wear these and go in the local.
Yeah. And also the lady we asked yesterday,
Yep.
she said it's really okay to wear bikini on the
Beach.
but don't walk on the street like, just wearing bikini, right?
Yeah.
At least you wrap yourself with towel. It's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah. because this island has the most bikini beach comparing to other local islands in the Maldives. So if you compare with, let's say, Digura has only one small portion of bikini beach, but this island, which is Ukulhas, the bikini beach
All
wrapped
part,
around the island.
Yeah.
So that's another good thing. A lot of people come here for that reason too. And they are making another, oh no, this is done actually. There's another Paradiso, another hotel. So they have like lots of hotels here, but they're building this one. New one, yeah.
We are seeing so many buildings being built and make a hotel, right?
Yeah. Oh, Nala Valley. I know this one.
Nala Valley?
I think so, yeah.
Nala restaurant.
Yeah.
So I think Nala Valley is
the
also
hotel.
Hotel or inn.
Yeah. Is there, every hotel has their restaurant if it's a big hotel. So they're making more.
I think they just started.
Hello.
I think they just started.
Yeah. And here I saw some women wearing bikinis already, and some of the people having coffee and drinks. I think we are done. Look, it looks like the end of the island.
Yeah, it's the end of the island.
It's
That's
very
why I told you.
It's a very short walk.
You can explore the area, the whole Ukulhas Island in one day.
Yeah, it's very short area.
And our where we stay, guest
Is right here?
house is just right there. You
Oh,
want to
okay. I'm kind of lost. I have no idea.
No,
but
it's there. The
okay.
name is Koi Mala, right?
Koi Mala, yeah.
Yeah, but let's just show the end of the beach.
Yeah.
So we cover all the
Island.
like from north to south.
Okay.
This is the end of the side.
So guys, you have to look at the sand. It's like fine white sand and powdery smooth. And you have to look at the water.
Yeah.
So beautiful. Can you go through this? Oh, I think this is where we came yesterday, no?
It's not tiring.
No, it's not tiring
Oh
here.
my god, it's really good to walk.
But Digura is tiring because it's very
No,
long.
It's very long.
Much longer.
Okay. It's very like tiny island.
Very short walk, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, we will finish our walk over there. This is more view of the beach.
Yeah.
This is low tide today.
Oh yeah?
Look, it's very low.
Yeah, but it's so
Low
beautiful.
tide.
It's just way too beautiful. If you come here, you feel like you don't want to leave.
Yes,
You don't want to go back to the city, to the stress, hustle and bustle. Here, people have zero stress.
Yeah. That's why I think they look young, right?
They look younger.
Even the barber guy that
Yeah.
cut your hair.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask
How old is
how old he
was
is.
he? Okay.
But I'm shy to ask, okay? It's
Yeah.
very personal.
Yeah.
But he looks young.
Yeah. People look young and also very friendly people.
So anyways, I think we have to
And this here?
end here. This is the south part of the Ukulhas.
Alright.
So thank you for watching, guys, and we will show you more videos in Maldives, right? Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye for now.